Today I'm going to be working on a 2002 MR2 Spyder.
The
truth. Today I'm going to be doing a restoration on my headlights. I'm going to go ahead and take these headlights all the way out. It's just 3 bolts holding them in. You got 1, 2, there's a third one on the back side right down here. That's holding it in as well. They're all 10mm. Once you get all the bolts out, just be sure to disconnect all your lights as well, so it doesn't rip any of those out of there. Here's how bad my driver's side light is. Going to be using a 400 grit, 800, and then 2000 grit sandpaper. I'm going to start by getting the headlight very wet with a spray bottle, and then I'll start to hit it with the sandpaper, but just ensure that you keep the headlight wet as you're sanding. Now I'm just going to wipe it off with a wet paper towel, get any kind of dirt and debris off there. And as you can see on the paper towel, it's quite dirty. That's why we're cleaning it. Now I'm just going to repeat the same process with the 800. Dry it once more with paper towel. And rub it down with alcohol just to get any of the other pieces of dirt off of here before I hit it with the 2000 grit. It's the same process of wet sanding with our 2000. Once again, we're going to dry with our paper towel. Just going to use some alcohol, wipe it down, get all the oils from my hands off. Now that we've cleaned it up, I'm going to hit it with a few coats of this. Don't apply it too thick because you don't want it to streak down, and it should clear up. It takes about a day to fully cure and about 5 to 10 minutes between each coat. So we're going to start laying it on and see how it goes. We'll let that first coat dry and come back in a few minutes. It's time for our second coat, and it's already looking 100 times better. While I'm in here, I'm changing out all these bulbs for little LEDs to get a lot better brightness out of them. Alright, it's 24 hours later, and taking a look at it, it's really good looking. It may have gotten a little thick. You can see it in the glare right here. The clear coat. I may run back over it with the super fine sandpaper just to kind of clear it up. But I am very satisfied with how it turned out. It is a heck of a lot better than it used to be. I'm also going to be repainting the wiper arms. You can see a lot of fading going on. So I'm going to hit them with some black spray paint. But it is a 12mm to take off both of these arms. And this one has a little cap on. You just pop right off. I think I broke one of the little pieces for that cap, but it's all good. All right, just 12mm for that nut right there. You're also going to want to remove wiper blades. Just set them aside. Just remember which side's your driver's, which side's your passenger. But that way you can also paint this little area right up here for the focus. Mine's looking pretty nasty. But that way I can get the whole thing painted. Plus, really helpful, it's got a little D for the driver's side one, and there's a P on the passenger side one. Now I'm going to score both mine up with some sandpaper, and then I'm going to hit them with some alcohol just to clean off any kind of dirt and debris, and then I'll be hitting them with some paint. Now I'm just hitting them with a couple coats of black paint, letting them dry, maybe about 10 minutes between each coat. Now they look a little out of place, so I'm also going to spray the little plastic cover and the little nut goes on the driver's side one. So I slapped both headlights back on the car. The driver's side is pretty clear, but the passenger side is still a bit smoky, so I might be taking it off and doing it over again. Once they're good and dry, you go ahead and reinstall them back on the car. Pretty much you just want to line it up to kind of where it used to be. I'll have to hinge it down really quick. But you'll line it up and just kind of press it in and put your nut in on top. Also, don't forget to reattach your wiper blades to the end of them as well. I'm also swapping out my side markers because they get orangish to more of a smoke color. Here's the final product with the lights on. All LEDs. Looks a heck of a lot better. And the light on the garage is a heck of a lot brighter too. Alright, now that the headlights, the bumper, and my freshly painted wiper blades are back on, it's the first of many little cosmetic mods I'm going to be doing to this car. And other mods as well. So, stick around and see what I got coming.